Today I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram reel. First, you're going to want to open up the Instagram app. Next, you're going to want to slide to the right. You're going to go down to Reels at the bottom. You can select a timer for when you want your video for your reel to start. So I'm going to do 3 seconds. So when you hit play and start recording, it gives you a 3-second warning. Then you're going to pan around to what you're going to record. I'm recording my living room. You can add effects over your video. So I'm going to show you with and without so that you can see what I mean. So here it is with the effect. Next, you can also do a time lapse. So you can do twice the speed, 3 times the speed, whatever you choose. Next, you're going to click the arrow to the right. Oh no, you're going to click music. You can add music on top, which is always fun. Then you're going to click the arrow to the right. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to only text on top, which I'm not going to do. GIFs. Then you can decide whether or not you want to show it on your profile grid or not. I will not be. You can add a cover photo as well. You can upload it from your photo album or pick one from within the reel. Then add your caption, and I hit save to drafts. You can find that on your profile. And that is how you create an Instagram reel.